Hey, Davita here, back with another video. A short video, hopefully. So, I'm inspired today by a young lady I saw by the name of Sarah Taylor. Sarah Taylor. Go look her up. She did a ribbon pour. And I said, okay, let's try that. So, she also used a technique which is called when you sandwich the paints in the cup. So I have my cup already ready. And you have the white, you have your colors, and you have the white again, a thick layer of white, and your colors again. So, white, colors, thick layer, and your colors. So that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to do I believe I said a ribbon pour. So let's get started. What I want to do first is I'm going to have some negative space at the top. This is what is this? Mars Black and that new mix pouring medium. So I'm using this again for this particular pour. It looked so pretty when I did that tree ring. So let's see how it turns out with this ribbon pour. So what I want to do is I want to have some negative space of the black, and that's going to be up here on the corners. So let's get that done first. Cover that area. Do. I need to have some music on. But right now it's just you and I spending some paint time together. Maybe we'll do music later. How's that? Okay, so yes, get that area covered. Nice and even. Okay, that's good enough. It's going to level out. Okay. Just want to make sure it's like a true corner being covered. There. Like a triangle. There we go. Now, let's start with our first cup, our ribbon. And you basically are just going to kind of start by pulling off the edges. And you just go back and forth. And you see how the paint comes out. And it looks like a ribbon. And I'm overlapping the black so that we have some good coverage. our second cup. And we're basically going to do the same thing, overlap. And we're just going to pour up and down, up and down. And let's get this little area right here. And I'm not really crazy about that squiggly line. So what I'm going to do is take this turquoise I have, and we're going to go straight through it. And we're going to do it again right here. That other little squiggly line was. Okay. Now let's get my torch. I got some 14 karat gold mixed up in there. And let's just extend this a little more. Go. And we're going to, let's stretch it just a little bit because there's a lot of paint on the canvas. Really like that. That's turquoise coming through, and we have a little copper, a little 14 karat gold. Yes. Okay, so now we're going to take our white and let's move you down a little bit. And we're going to, this is going to be our other corner with negative space. And let's get our spatula here. Now this is Artist Loft White, and it's mixed with the mix pouring medium. Okay, and I want, let's bring it this way a little bit to make sure that that is not bunching up down there, because I want that to be nice and smooth. And we can even, roll that down a little, and that's going to stretch out our sails a little more. And we're going to torch, because I see some air bubbles. I definitely like that turquoise popping up. I like this little white line coming through here. But I definitely want this all white. I don't want any color in this area. And that's going to level itself out. Okay. All right, I'm going to make sure our corners are covered. And I got a few areas over here that need to be covered. So what we're going to do is just take some paint that we have left over in the bottom and just kind of, you know, put that right over it. Because I don't really want to stretch it anymore. And I don't want to have any gaps. So let's do this. Okay. Let's get some colors we got down here. That's pretty. Some of that gold has flowed over. I'm just going to add it right there. Continue that flow over the canvas edges. Got some white. Get those edges there. It's always good to have a little popsicle stick or a spatula around when you want to do some fine tuning to your painting, especially the ones with the little points. They're just a really good tool to have when you're doing this. Okay, so I'm going to get make sure my edges are covered. I'm going to get this little edge here. And of course, scrape. Always remember to scrape, so that your paint isn't continuing to pull. And if it continues to pull, it's going to basically mess up the design that you're trying to achieve. The painting, your masterpiece that you're trying to achieve. How about that? Okay, so I think it's lovely. We got a lot of sale action going on. Now, I did use my 24 karat gold that I mixed up the other day, and this was mixed with Floetrol. Everything else was mixed with that mix pouring medium. So of course that 24 karat gold gave us some nice cells, and it doesn't seem like it reacted badly with the mix pouring medium. So I think we have a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Ah, my daddy used to say that. Okay. Sorry about that. So thank you for spending a little bit of time with me. Please like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram page, link in the bottom in the description box. Also, I think I may do a Venmo or a Cash App link in case there's anyone out there that wants to help me to continue doing what I'm doing. I really appreciate your viewing my videos. I'm just getting started. I like to give tips. I like to talk, maybe too much, but this is a very relaxing. I just love doing this type of work. So, again, thank you very much for viewing the video. Have a blessed day. Stay safe. See you next video. Adios.